Okay. So we have started class 10th geography chapter number 4 agriculture. Okay. Now you can see here the major crops are whatever we grow in our country. The major crops, whatever we grow, is to be divided into four main parts. Four parts means the all type of crops which we have is to be divided into four parts, that is food crops. So whatever crops which provides us food like wheat, maize, rice, millets and pulses, they are basic, we can say staple crop we bol sakte, we can say staple food also. It is staple food as well, you can say it. So which is important for our daily practice, daily use, daily. Without this our diet is incomplete. Am I clear? Diet is incomplete without this. So that is called as food crop. Am I clear? Now second is cash crop. So what is cash crop? Cash crop is to be sold out into the market for selling into market. Selling into market. Am I clear? That is cash crop, like sugar cane, tobacco, cotton, jute and oil seeds. These all to be sold out into the market. Then we have plantation crops. Now what is plantation crops? Plantation crop is the crop which is mainly single crop, which is single crop and on large field. On large field. Okay. Also huge capital investment, large capital investment. Clear?
ये वाली क्रॉप मैम मतलब प्लांटेशन में यूज होती है ना मैम?
हाँ, like tea, coffee, ये सब plantation crops हैं. These all are plantation crop. Manual work is more in this, है ना? इसमें ज़्यादातर manual work is required. Fine. Rubber, tea, coffee, jute, cotton, all these are plantation crops. Then we have horticulture. So what is horticulture? Horticulture is the growing of fruits
and orchards.
Yes, fruits, ornamental flowers, as well as vegetables. Okay, so these are called as the horticulture crops. So these are the main four parts of the crops what we grow in our country. Is it clear till here, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let us come to the cropping season. So cropping season. So what do you mean by cropping season? What is cropping season? What do you mean by it? Cropping season means the three seasons we have, mainly number one, Rabi, that is in winter season, Rabi, wheat and winter. Clear? Second is Kharif. Second is Kharif. So Kharif is rice. Mainly Kharif is rice, onset of monsoon. I'll tell you later on. And then we have Zaid. Am I clear? The third crop is Zaid, that is watery crop. What is it? Watery crop.
Ma'am, potato वगैरह.
No, not potato, cucumber, melon, muskmelon. These are watery crop. Means those crops which have water in it in large quantity. The crop which has water in it. Am I clear till here? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see what is grain. Before that, I would like to show this. Now again here, food crops that and cash crops we have. Food crops is further divided into three parts, that is cereals. Cereals. What is cereals? Cereals are grains. ठीक है ना? Which yes, grains. Pulses. Pulses, the dals and all, dal, and which is protein rich. protein rich crops. It is protein rich crops. Then we have spices, all kind of masalas. Okay, all kind of masala comes under it. So it includes cardamom, pepper, ginger, chilies and all. Then let us come to cash crops. So what is cash crops? Cash crops are those which is to be sold into the market. Just now I told you, sold in the market. Clear? Which is sold in the market. That is called as cash crops. Now it is of 4 types. Number 1, oil seeds. Oil seeds. India, you must be knowing, India is the largest consumer as well as producer, largest consumer and producer of oil seeds in the world. Clear? In the world, not only India, I'm talking about the world, not only Asia. I'm just talking about the world, that India is the largest consumer and producer of oil seeds in the world. Then we have next is the fiber. So fiber, again, it is to be sold out into the market. Fiber which gives us clothes. Fiber gives us clothes. Okay, so what is fiber? It is a which gives us clothes. कौन सी clothes? Cotton, jute and silk. Okay, so clothes, fibers can be divided into plants, say, which we get from plants, and secondly from animal. Okay, so here we are talking fiber, plants, say, what all things we get from plants? Bolo, jute,
cotton
and rind. Animals say we get leather and silk.
ये क्या लिखा आपने? rayon.
R-A-Y-N, rayon. Okay. Now plantation. What is plantation crops? Plantation, again, large fields, single crop and other crops. There are some other crops also like tobacco and sugarcane. Am I clear? This still here? Is it clear? Now, as I discussed about the cropping season. So which are cropping season? Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. These are the features of Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. So one by one, Rabi is what? Winter. As I said, Rabi is not rice. Rabi is what? Wheat. Okay. Rabi is wheat. And just opposite, Kharif is rice. Kharif is rice. Now, Rabi is wheat and wheat ka sowing season. Just imagine about wheat. Sowing season kya hoga? What will be the sowing season? Just see here. Sowing season is
winter.
Yes, it is November, October to December. Sown in winter from October to December. It is sown in October to December. Clear? Harvesting.
जनवरी तक भी हो सकता है क्या मैम? जनवरी तक?
नहीं. उसका sowing is done October to December. Okay, and then Mawat in January, as you are saying. So January is the time for Mawat. You must be knowing Mawat. What is it? What is Mawat? Yes, Mawat. Mawat is winter rain. What is it? Winter rain.
Winter rain.
Yes, and it is good for Rabi crop. It is good for Rabi crop. That is why this time, during this period, during this time, what is happening? The crops are ready. Crops are ready in fields. So, and the Mawat, it gives good rain, which helps the grains to become of good quality. Clear? It helps the grains to become good quality. Now, harvesting, you must have heard about Baisakhi. So harvesting is mainly done in April to June. Harvesting is done in when? April to June. Okay? Harvesting is done in April to June. उसकी कटिंग बैसाखी, especially I can say बैसाखी, that time harvesting is done. Clear? Now, how much water is required? Availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western cyclonic disturbances. It helps in the success of this crop. Clear? And which are the main crops grown? Wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard. Now, this cannot be grown. These Rabi crops cannot be grown in which area? Cannot be grown in South. क्योंकि South India. Why? इसको बहुत बारिश नहीं चाहिए. It do not require good water. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy rainfall नहीं चाहिए. And also Mawat is good for this crop. That is why. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us come to Kharif crop. Now what is Kharif crop? Kharif is onset of monsoon. Kharif crops is to be grown at onset of monsoon. At onset. What do you mean by onset? When rainfall starts. You can see nowadays as the rainfall started, people are moving towards the paddy cultivation. People are moving for paddy cultivation. What is paddy cultivation? Paddy cultivation. What do you mean by paddy? Yes.
Ma'am, rice.
Rice.
Ma'am, rice.
Yes, people start growing rice now. They have rice ka bunches in their hand and moving towards this. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in June. Clear? It is to be grown in the month of June. कब उग रहा है इसको? जून में. Fine. This crop are harvested in September to October. When it is to be harvested? Again, now it is the time for Diwali season. Isha Singh kaun hai? Any Isha Singh is there in your class? Yes, any Isha is there in your class? Chalo. Hanji. So the crops are harvested in September to October. अब ये कौन सा season आ गया है? Mainly Diwali. Which season? Diwali. Clear? Now, these crops have high water requirement either from monsoon rain or by irrigation. So, they have water requirement. They have high water. Standing water. What does it require? Standing water. क्या चाहिए इसको? Standing water for about 30 days in the field. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 30 days about water is required. If water is not available, then they go for irrigation. They go for irrigation. Clear? अगर पानी available नहीं है तो irrigation वो लोग they go for rain. Either they depend on monsoon rain or they go for irrigation. Now which are the crops which is grown other than rice? So it is paddy, maize, ज्वार, bajra, arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soyabean. These are all the examples of what? These are examples of kharif crop. Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us come to the Zaid season. Zaid. Now Zaid, this season is going on as a Zaid season. अभी कौन सा season चल रहा है? Zaid चल रहा है. Okay. So dry summer cropping season is known as Zaid, and Zaid is a short intervening cropping season. एक छोटा सा season होता है, only for about I can say 1 or 2 months. Hardly for 1 or 2 months. Okay, 1 or 2 months. When we eat melon, watermelon, muskmelon, vegetables, and some fodder crops, these all are included as mainly Zaid crop. Now, the crops are grown in summer months, March to May. Only March to May. Okay. मार्च टू मे. ये कब उगा रहे हैं? मार्च टू मे. They are going in the month of March to May. Now they are irrigated crops. These are irrigated crops. Irrigation से उगता है. These crops are grown by the help of irrigation. It is grown with the help of irrigation. So irrigation is must for this crop. Clear? और कौन सी crops आ गए? Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. I hope till here is clear. Everything is clear till here.
What are fodder crops? Fodder crops.
Fodder जो जानवरों के लिए, for animals. Fodder crops are for animals, mainly for animals. Take the screenshot. You can take the screenshot. Okay. Now till here is it clear? Fine. Okay. Now let us begin with the next slide. That is, grain is a collective term applied for cereals. Now, what is grains? What is grain? What do you mean by the term grain? So, grain is all type of cereal crops. All kind of cereal crops are included as grains. So, the main cereal grains include wheat, rice, maize, barley, sorghum, teff, rye, oats, and millets. These all are grain crops or cereal crops. The majority of the world population subsists mostly on wheat, rice, and maize. Means mainly in the world, people are totally depending on wheat, rice, and maize. These are what? What is it called as? Staple crops. What is it called as? Staple food. क्या बोलेंगे इसको हम लोग? Staple foods. These are all called as staple food. Staple food means what? Speak up. It means without which,
Ma'am, our diet is incomplete.
yes, without which diet is incomplete.
Incomplete.
Yes, is incomplete. Yes. So rice, wheat, rice, and maize. Now these three cereals account for more than 80% of total cereal grains in the world. Whatever we grow, out of that 80% is cereal crops, what we grow in the world. Okay, 80% of the total we are growing is cereal crops. Other cereals belong to minor cereal crops are coarse grains. So which are included in coarse grains? Can you tell me? Coarse grains like jowar,
Bajra,
bajra,
Makka,
or
corn.
jowar, bajra,
Corn.
ragi. Okay, these are coarse grains. Now, most cereals can be used as staple grains for humans, but maize, oats, barley, and grain sorghum can be used to feed grains for livestock.
मैम ग्रेन सॉर्गन क्या होता है? मैम ग्रेन
ये
सॉर्गन
सॉर्गन एक टाइप का ग्रेन ही है, अनाज ही है, which is feeded to the livestock, which is feeded to livestock, जानवरों के लिए, particularly in the developed countries. They mainly give it in the developed. अच्छा, now see, if they are talking about developed countries, if we talk about USA, अगर हम USA की बात करें, so in USA the pigs are reared. You must be knowing, pigs are reared.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ना, pigs are reared. So pigs are served on maize. उनको क्या खाना मिलता है? maize का खाना मिलता है, अनाज मिलता है. So they eat maize. उनको pigs को they provide maize. हम लोग को American भुट्टा, you have heard about it. Okay, so that American bhutta is given to pigs. Am I clear? Especially in developed countries. This is done. Now let us come to next. Next slide is.
मैम कोर्स ग्रेन में मैम कॉर्न भी आएगा क्या मैम?
हाँ, कॉर्न भी आएगा. वो मेज कॉर्न एक ही बात होती है ऑलमोस्ट. ओके, डन till here. Now let us come to one by one crops. This is wheat. We are talking about, let us come to wheat. So this is wheat. What are the features of wheat? Now see, you have to prepare a table that I'll let you know. So what are the features of wheat? Wheat are the important, this is important characteristics. Mainly wheat is rabi crop. What is wheat? Wheat is rabi crop. Okay. Number one. Number two, grown in specially the major areas, grown. Major areas of our country is which one? Bolo? It is Punjab,
Uttar Pradesh, Haryana.
Punjab, Haryana, UP, especially West UP and North
Western UP.
Rajasthan. North Rajasthan. Okay, so these are the areas because of western disturbances. Western disturbances. This crop is good. These crops grow faster. Okay. Next is the sowing season. When is the sowing season of it? Sowing season is October to November. Okay. Sowing season is October to November. December and January is growing season. December and Jan is growing. जब वो उग रहा है, बड़ा हो रहा है. Okay. And harvesting is done when? April to May. April and May is harvesting season. Am I clear? April and May is harvesting season. Now next is the soil. Which kind of soil is good? Alluvial soil. Which soil is good for this crop? Alluvial soil. Okay. Now how much rainfall? Rainfall कितना चाहिए? Only 50 to 75 centimeters. Only 50 to 75 centimeters. Am I clear? Temperature.
Yes, ma'am.
How much temperature? How much temperature? It's
Ma'am,
required.
25 to 30.
Yes.
25
Ma'am,
to 30.
30 to 35 degrees.
To 25 degrees Celsius. Only, not more than that. उससे ज़्यादा होगा तो it will become difficult for the crops to grow. Mainly, अगर हम भारत की एक छोटा सा map draw करिए, draw a map of Bharat. Now, if we see where is it grown in our country, so mainly draw a map. Mini India. This is Tripura. This is Mizoram. Now here, this is Rajasthan, Gujarat, and then South India, and then this church. Now let us come. Major areas of wheat where it is grown. So it is grown in Punjab, it is grown in Haryana, UP, Punjab, Haryana, UP, and some parts of Rajasthan as well. So these are the major areas of wheat. Am I clear till here? So this is the major area of wheat. Okay, this is the major area of wheat. Now minor areas. Some minor areas are also there. So which are the minor areas? This part. Some very little parts of Tamil Nadu. Then we have MP. Okay, MP. Some very little parts of Gujarat. So here is wheat grown. Clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing here major areas. Writing, this is major area. Major areas. And this one, purple color is the minor area. This is minor. I hope it is clear. Wheat. Now let us see this one.
Wait a minute, ma'am. Wait a minute, ma'am.
Hanji. The four important characteristics are UP, Punjab, and Haryana. It is grown in UP, Punjab, and Haryana largely. So largest producer, if they ask which is the largest producer, what you will write? Largest producer
Punjab
of
and
each?
Haryana.
Ma'am,
UP.
Punjab and Haryana.
Punjab, UP and Haryana.
UP. Largest producer is UP.
UP.
Yes. UP is the
मैम
largest
पंजाब से भी
producer.
ज्यादा है.
हाँ. Largest producer.
पंजाब में मैम पंजाब भी ज्यादा है मैम वहाँ की.
नहीं बेटा,
Crop, ma'am, soil
पंजाब
अच्छी
में
है।
and Haryana is due to green revolution. We can say it due to green revolution. Mainly green revolution. Okay. So UP is the largest producer of rice. Sorry, wheat. Now, it requires how much rainfall? How much rainfall it requires? It requires mainly 50 to 75 centimeters only. Okay. And during the ripening period means जब वो बड़ा हो रहा होता है, crop grow कर रहा होता है, वो means थोड़ा बड़ा हो रहा होता है, that time में it requires bright sunshine and sunlight and cold weather condition. Means which time period, which month? January and February.
February.
Yes, so it is January and February.
Ma'am, March.
Okay. Now, the soil which is good for its growth is the black soil
Alluvial soil.
in the Deccan Plateau region and alluvial soil in Ganga
Alluvial.
Satluj plain. Okay, so which kind of soil? कौन सी soils is good? Which soil is perfect? Alluvial soil and black soil. Black soil में भी उग जाता है, especially MP and Chhattisgarh वाला area. Okay, so I hope till here it is very clear. Wheat is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Want to ask
Yes,
anything?
ma'am. No,
Want to
ma'am.
ask anything? Okay. Then let us come to next. Now here is the ये तो बाद में देखेंगे. This is the list of some novel wheat varieties. Now see, these are the wheat varieties. Some of the wheat varieties. So regional station of MP, Indore, MP. So what is it growing here? Excellent grain quality, high yield, high staple yield. What do you mean by yield? Suppose this is a field. कितना वहां पे grains हो रहा है? High yield means
Ma'am,
how
crop
much
grown per unit.
yes, how much grains are available. How much grains we get from that particular region is called as yield, per yield. Okay, so yield with high degree of resistance of leaf rust and stripe rust. अब ये सारी चीजें आपके लिए थोड़ा सा it's really mainly ये जो crops है, this is leaf. ऐसे ये जो crops है, इसमें बहुत सारी grains है,
मम्मी
good grains.
regional stations क्या है मम्मी? यहाँ पे universities हैं क्या ये मैम?
हाँ, these are universities where research work is done. Yeah, this is not given in your book, but this is as you are in 10th D. So this is some extra what I have giving to you. Now, better yield even under deficient irrigation availability. Now, see Punjab mein. In Punjab, if we talk about Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, so it combines high grain yield with high degree of resistance. Okay. हेलो किरण मैम, मैं आपको 5 मिनट में करती हूँ, क्लास चल रही है ना. हाँ, ओके. So this is better yield even under deficient availability. Now this is MP again. MP में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे research center है. MP में research centers are there, basically those who are looking for wheat crops. Okay. So what they do, better yield even after the deficient irrigation. Now in New Delhi is wide adaptability. Adaptability means न्यू दिल्ली में इन लोगों ने बहुत तेजी से अडेप्ट किया है. They have adapted this crop and then